Hello, Sam here, editor of Oracle Time, and today I'm here with Chopard's latest ode to the most famous classic car rally in Italy, the Mille Miglia 2020 Race Edition. Of all the automotive partnerships out there, and God knows there are enough of them, the most enduring is that of Chopard and the most beautiful race in the world, the Mille Miglia. It's a partnership that's been around for 32 years now, which is a lifetime in the watch world, where fair weather partnerships are the norm rather than the exception. That's almost entirely due to Chopard co-president Carl Friedrich Schaeffler and his own adoration for classic cars. It's also a chance each year for Chopard to showcase a new racing-inspired facet to the collection of now hotly anticipated Mille Miglia annual editions. It's a collection that's grown roughly a piece a year since 1988, creating an impressive array of heritage tool watches, complete with a race logo that you might actually want on a dial. It's also a partnership that Chopard do more with than just put on the dial, as each participant in the race is gifted that year's edition. That makes it worth entering, even if you don't have a hope in hell of winning, and takes the sting out of the £7,000 entry fee. For this year's race, Chopard created two versions of the Mille Miglia 2020 race edition, both measuring in at 42mm with a 12-hour chronograph all set for timing each leg of the 1,000-mile race, and both are draped in all black livery, one entirely in stainless steel and the other with an ethically sourced rose gold bezel. In its cool, matte look, the new pieces have something of last year's LUC Chrono 1 flyback about them, though that's due to the bead-blasted orange peel finish rather than any high-tech case material. Visually, it's a little like cast iron, hammering home the heritage racing stuck-in-the-workshop feel. It's a texture that's carried through the dial too, paired with military olive drab for subdials and tachometer scale, and plenty of lume across the hands and numerals. The only hint of bright colour is the Mille Miglia logo, as it should be. It makes for a technical yet legible dial that doesn't scorch the eyes like your usual high-contrast white on black fare. Personally, I love the version with the rose gold bezel. Yes, it's a bit flashy, and yes, the all black suits the more refined air of a heritage racing chronograph, and yes, I honestly expected to prefer the other. But I like being wrong sometimes, and the matte gold works phenomenally well with the black. Size-wise, the watch is a little unusual. Despite being a solid 42mm across, its lug-to-lug width is just 50mm, making for some very squat lugs and a very nice sit on the wrist. They're paired with a comfortable perforated black calfskin strap with a rubber lining, the texture of which is actually based on 1960s Dunlop tyres. As racing straps go, this is a seriously classy one. Powering each watch is Chopard's 4Hz COSC certified automatic movement, complete with the 42-hour power reserve you'd expect from this collection, which tends to use customised ETA and Solita movements. It's nicely decorated in a case-matched gunmetal colour with plenty of Côte de Genève and perlage, all very nicely done. Limited to 1,000 pieces for the all black and 250 for the rose gold bezel, the two pieces offer a solid entry point to Chopard, priced at £5,850 and £7,330 respectively. It makes entering the Mille Miglia 2021 seem pretty affordable, if you happen to have a stunning 1930s classic stashed away, of course. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think of Chopard's latest heritage racing effort. While you're at it, let us know if you've ever entered the Mille Miglia yourself. A bit of jealousy never hurt anyone.